Hi everyone, in front of me I've got SONY Xperia 10 Mark V and let me share with you how to check for the software updates on this device. So first of all we have to enter the settings and then let's scroll down to the very bottom to find the system. Right in the middle of the list we've got the software update option, so let's tap on it and then tap on the system. As you can see, in my case, I've got this information that my device already has the latest available system updates, but of course you can refresh it. Let's tap on the three dots icon and tap on refresh. As you can see, you will have also the information about the latest sync. Of course, if in your case your device will be allowed to download to basically update the system, you will have the proper information right here and you will be able to learn what is new in the update, what kind of bugs has been fixed, and you will be able to download the update. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.